The truth behind price movements always begins at 11.25. Whether scaled up or down to fit the chart, this unit is the key. For Microsoft, it manifested at 112.5. From 112.5 to 225, then it heads to 337.5, and from there to 450, then to an important line which is 562.5. The beginning was in March 2019 when the price broke through the 112.5 crossing gate and settled above it, officially announcing the start of a long wave towards the next target of 225. After breaking through 225 and stabilizing above this line, its next target was the 337.5 line, which the price failed to break through, thus retreating back to the lower line of 225. The 225 line successfully supported the price, causing it to rebound back to the 337.5 line. The price successfully broke through this time and went directly to the next line of 450. Notice how the equilibrium line, located midway between the two lines, resisted the descent in this area. But when it was broken, the price approached the lower line of 337.5 and quickly rebounded to the upper line of 445. The price successfully broke through, targeting the next line at 562.5. The price failed to break through this level and returned to the equilibrium line, failing to support it, and continued its decline to the lower main line at a price of 450. The price continued to fall to the next line at 337.5. To track the price step by step, we monitor the equilibrium line which lies midway between the two lines. We see how it resisted the decline for a while, but the price overcame it, confirming the continuation of the decline towards 337.5. If this level is broken and fails to support the price, the target will be the next lower line at 225, provided that the midline is also broken. If the 337.5 line successfully supports the price and does not close below it, it will first rebound to the equilibrium line between the two lines, then head towards the upper line of 450, and from there it will move to the next upper line of 562.5. Thanks for watching.